Awesome. I just got my MiSaMo Haute Couture Deluxe Edition album, CD and DVD box set. We got Mina, we got Momo, Sana, and I got my favorite members card, MiSaMo, as a collective card, so I'm pretty stoked there. I think you get, maybe it's just the one member, but let's do an unboxing. Oh, beautiful. You know it's fate when you can get one out of the three members. This is twice the subunit MiSaMo. They're all from Japan originally, and I got my favorite member from twice out of the 9-girl group. I'm super stoked. This is going in my wallet with me. Carry my wifey with me everywhere I go. It's a very nice case. Comes in like a box case, and let's crack into this. Oh, DVD's just popping out here. So this is the CD, second mini album. This should actually be in here. There we go. Has a little booklet with all the lyrics and the track lists. So let's put that there. My favorite member, Mina, she's just stunning. Wow. That was their whole Haute Couture look. Now we've got Sana. Oh, her eyes. Just a princess. Is Sana gay? As most Twice members knows that inside joke. And we've got Momo-chan. They're just a triple threat. They can all sing, dance. Basically could have been models. But luckily JYP found them. MiSaMo.
With that yes to credit from Capital One, I was able to rebuild my phone. I'm proud that I can actually
Sana and Mina.
getting that yes allowed me
Sana.
to
Oh. Oh, it's a poster. Wow. Same here. And this is Momo-chan. Oh wow, what's in the envelope? We've got Momo, Sana, Mina, makes it MiSaMo, the trio there. Stamps of approval. We've got their stamps of Mina, Sana, and Momo, as well as cards that they've made for Once. If you don't know, you know. Once is the Twice fan group to Once. I'll have to look it up later to see what the translations are. Of course, I don't speak Japanese or can read Japanese, but I'm sure it's very sweet, and I will take a look at it later. And then we've got Sana's. Oh, she wrote a lot, eh? She really loves Once. All the members love Once because they know, like, without the great fan support that we have, we always support them. They're our best girls, and save the best for last with Mina.
I'm at gate 6 wearing a green shirt.
ฉันอยู่ที่ประตู6สวมเสื้อสีเทา
ได้ครับเดี๋ยวผมมารับ
Awesome. And then behind this, everything fits in this nice collector's book, and it's already signed. And then after this is the DVD. This is the DVD, and that's it, guys. That's a wrap. So thank you so much for watching. So I just went back to the front, and yeah, again, thanks so much for watching my unboxing of Haute Couture by MiSaMo. And that's Twice. Best girl group in the world.